Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and just gonna go over some of the turning points that took place today. Um, Today's price action was pretty good. Volume was decent, and the start of the day was right here at 6:30. You can see this area right here. I just have these areas marked where I would be considering a trade in that direction. So I'm not saying I'd stay with these trades, all of these trades, or get all of these, but these are areas of interest that I would likely have placed trades. And so this was the first trade here of the day, possibly a short right there. Now you can see the indicator below, but got these marked based on method, and the indicator below just happens to correspond with what's above. So nonetheless, these are the trades I would likely have taken. Um, a lot of these trades would be at least for a point. If it trades at a point in the direction, I would consider that a positive or winning trade. So even a trade like this here, this moved more than a point down here, I'd look and or consider that a good trade. You can see the turning point there at 7 o'clock. Could have been an initial right here. Sometimes I like to wait for a little bit better confirmation on a bottoming turning point like this here. Prices were moving down, and a little change of direction in here. Getting closer to, I only took a couple of trades today. I'll show you those. And we did sell off, went down to the low 170 areas, or 1170 area, and then bounced up higher. But there's some nice points in here: long, short, long again, short over here. Actually quite a few trades that were possible here for today's market. Movement looked really pretty good. As first, I just started following the market right there around 9:30. Backed out of this trade here. Didn't really quite like it. This was the move I was expecting, this move to higher ground, but that move didn't happen until we retraced, and just didn't feel right, didn't look right, so I was able to get out at flat. And that's the trade there that I took. Several points. Let's see, 4.5 points on this trade. About 4.5 points on the top side there. So I didn't have a whole lot of time. I could have stayed with this trade for longer. It looked like it lasted about another hour. And you can see pretty much the close of the day up here. So the market somewhat closed on the plus side. Actually made up a lot of ground from selling off, so that actually puts it in a fairly good spot for a continuation move up. Look for the market possibly to find some strength tomorrow, and it is possible it could challenge the 1200 area that was pretty consistent resistance for some time all last week. There were several days the market traded at that area and backed off, so I wouldn't be surprised to see the next few days some strength come into the market and even break that 1200 area, but I think it could be short-lived, so wouldn't be looking for a really big rally. It's possible it can get back up to make a double top around 1220, but certainly I'd be looking for a failure just over, maybe even say the 1208 to 1210, 1208 area. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Vince, Sniper Day Trading. Have a good day.